Aloha out there in the webs. Today I'm going to show you how to, or tips and tricks of installing this Young Electric 2-bike rack, hitch rack. And the reason I say that, excuse me, is because this is as detailed as they get. It's all description, doesn't really show you the actual parts. If you know what a 15/16 flat washer is and spring washer, that's great. You know, I say I'm mechanical, but it took me a while to understand what they were trying to say. So with that being said, the whole instruction manual is like that. Very, very high level detail, not detailed at all. So I'm going to walk you through some of the things that hopefully can fast track your install. Mine took about an hour-ish, taking my time and figuring things out. But number one, you get these tools, you get 2 Allen wrenches. Okay, I happen to have this handy, and this is a 13/15, which you actually need. And this is a 11/16 socket and a 15/16 socket. I did have to use the extension for some cases. At least it helped me out. But then these were tools that I use to assemble these kind of things. So what is the tip and trick? Well, the first thing they have you do is install these. There's 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, and they tell you it's a 15/2 bolt, 15/6 washer, 15/16 lock washer, and a knob. The knob was in an entirely different bag. Sorry about that. Was an entirely different bag, so it took me a while to find that. So that's the assembly. Okay, bolt, washer, lock washer, knob. And then you install these stationary pins. This is what makes this thing pivot, and that's pretty straightforward. That's just a bolt, Allen head, and then the this is a locking bolt, right? Sorry if I'm not giving you hardcore terms, but you can see visually better. And then you get one of these big bolts, and you put, sorry about the focus, you put the washer, the lock washer, and then the bolt. Okay, these you kind of want to be just snug, because that's what's a pivot point of making these things turn. Okay, that's basically the tips and tricks of that. These go in same way. Well, watch this right there, right? It's not even tight, so I gotta loosen that and tighten that. So that's just so it can be seated like that, flush, not sticking out, right? And then these go in. You want to stagger them, so you want the inside, outside. Actually, these are both inside, huh? And these are both outside. It should be staggered, so then you can move them around, right? So right now, if I was trying to move the bike around, I can only go this way or that way, not outside. What I'm saying that is actually the length of the bike, right? So those are the tips and tricks. I like to keep these pins underneath so it doesn't fall down. You can put them on top. If I do it like this, like a speaker tripod, at least if it drops down and it's not tight, then it's good. This isn't the one that's guaranteed to hold it down. You use the straps that it comes with. It comes with 6 straps, and then you strap the wheels. Then you kind of strap this. I would use a towel if you have a sensitive paint job. And then you have these anchor points here. That's one thing I'll probably do another video if you guys need it. But just wanted to show you the things that I did. It does fold nicely. You fold these down. Fold this one down, and it folds 90 degrees, and it folds another 30 degrees or 45 degrees that way. But these hit my paint over there. Okay, so ask me any questions on the comments, and hopefully I can save you some time. All right.